What's up, guys? It's FB Productions, and today I'm gonna be talking about the pit bike. And I got some good news and bad news. Unfortunately, the Racing CDI did not fit on here, so I just have that put away. Maybe I'll sell it or something. And what's also unfortunate is that my back tire is popped. I have to change the rim because this same rim popped 3 tubes. And I'll be taking it for a test ride today. I did get the piston and everything installed. And I got the racing spark plug installed and got the little baggie right here hanging. So, oh yeah, and also another thing, the exhaust, I stripped it, so it does sound louder. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys, and so you can hear it. Alright, I'm gonna take it out for a test ride. Honestly, it runs way smoother now than before. And I put a high compression piston, so it does have way more torque than before. And hold on, let me let this guy pass. I do not recommend you guys ride with a flat tire, especially without a helmet. So make sure. What do you want, you freaking Prius? So make sure that your bike is perfectly fine and ready to ride before riding it, and always ride with a helmet. I'm just doing this video so you guys can see how the bike is riding. Do a couple pulls. This thing is pretty quick.